Bug tracking system is a Windows application developed using VB.NET as front-end and MS SQL Server 2008 as the backend. This application can be implemented in any of the IT organizations in order to maintain the bugs and their records effectively. This application contains three main modules: manager, the team lead, and the developer. The developer need to register first. They need to select the particular domain in which they need to work. So once the registration is done, they will receive a confirmation mail regarding the account has been confirmed. So a confirmation mail will be sent to that particular mail ID. So after the registration, the manager will log in. The manager need to request the developer. So he will get the list of the developers that have been registered and he need to approve their accounts in order to log in. So he need to select the account which need to be approved and he will click on approve button in order to approve. So I can view all the approved list in the data grid view. So then the manager can also view the trace history of a bug. So whatever the bug updates that have been done by the developer can be viewed by the manager. So next, coming to the team lead, the team lead has to log in. And he has to fix a new bug that need to be rectified by the developers. He need to give the details regarding the bug. The platform in which it need to be rectified and he need to choose the importance. The bug will be reported successfully. So now in the analyze bug report, the team leader has to particularly assign the bug to a particular developer. So he need to choose the bug that need to be assigned and he has to choose the developer for whom he need to assign the bug. So particular tragedy will be assigned to the developer. So after assigning the particular bug, the developer need to log in. So once they log in the tragedy inbox, he will get a list of the particular bugs that have been assigned to him and he need to rectify these bugs, and after rectification he need to update the status about this bug. So once he select the particular bug, he need to choose the status of the bug reduction. So if it is rectified, he'll choose the status as rectified and he'll update the status. So it is updated. This is the work of the developer. So then after the team lead login, the team lead can view the status of the particular bug using this, and he can filter this by searching a particular bug here and it will be filtered according to the summary of the bug. And in data